We'll see which ratchet offers the highest RPM. We'll test the ratchets for maximum torque. We'll see which ratchet's in the hedge apple. I made several attempts to cut through the hedge apple without stalling the saw, but it stalled every single time. 11.2 seconds to move into second place. The Irwin actually didn't twist much at all before braking, while the Irwin tested in the first round did twist quite a bit. I could tell during the test cam out before snapping. It still did great at 149 inch-pounds. The Milwaukee claims to last 50 times longer than the competition, and it did the best. Duty general extension cord, certified for use in the U.S. and Canada. It's rated for 1,875 watts. The Utilitech is made in China. The Utilitech.
Shit.
This is the lever to sharpen the chain. Definitely good ergonomics on the trigger safety switch. Instead of using plastic, the organ uses
Great
metal.
fucking spot to dump.
World's first introduction to Help Me Stepbrother. My gluteus maximus is stuck in the style of Ate. Watch it, you
Fucking
the
retard.
shit.
Okay, what the fuck are you doing?
Manual recording will now start.
Take the left lane in case you just cut out at the last minute. It's unwilling to communicate for the most part.
Basically any tow rev that doesn't have the American added safety right down here behind the trigger. So some of the
Oh god. Oh, nice. And kind of just wiped out.
Manual recording will now start.
97 cents. So, yeah, I don't think the vest would have helped you. No. Even got that.
Again?
Manual recording will now start.
Okay, that's the second time I've seen someone crash right there. Oh shit. Hey man, I just got waved through and you're gonna pull out of there of all time.
The RPM to 510, and we're staying with the same amount of weight, about 53 pounds of downward force. The purpose of this next test is to see how evenly product.
And it was very difficult for me. I was asked what I didn't believe it at the time, and I don't know if you noticed, I never went back on that show. Yeah, Monday came around.
Manual recording will now start.
Are you trying to fucking blind people?
Oh,
You Brushy Mountain Penitentiary. What the hell, man?
Ed. They couldn't even afford a whole horse. New Mexico. That is such a good flag.
Nice turn. How? Great, now I'm that guy.